So today is an exceptionally good day to film a video because your girl got a package. Now, I typically do haul videos on my channel, but since I didn't have several packages that came in, I figured why do a haul video? And since I am partnered with a new company and this is the package that they sent me, I figured why not just do an unboxing video on my channel. So let's get into it. I have my handy dandy knife right here. So let's crack this baby open. The great thing that I love about this company that I'm partnered with, and this company is called Polar Whale. They basically are makeup organizers. It's basically just organizers for beauty products, home, workspace, your kitchen. Just if you, like their slogan is, if you don't have anywhere to put it, you know, basically their organizers will help you do that. So I do love that I know for sure that this company does do 2-day shipping. So if 2-day shipping is something that you pick at checkout, you will definitely receive your package in 2 days, because they ship package out on Thursday and today is Saturday, and the postman like literally delivered it today. So I was like, oh look, my package is here. So let's crank this baby open, and oh my god, this is just like what I need already. Like, look at this. Okay, so I know that they said that they were gonna send me 2 different organizers. So let's, oh Lord, I'm making a mess. Move the box, because these are the 2 organizers, and they do have, I guess, like the product numbers on the back. So I guess if you need to search them or get some more because you have that much stuff, you have the numbers. But this is the basically like a multi-purpose cosmetics organizer, and this one is for nails. I haven't introduced my love of doing my own nails on my channel, but if you know me, you know I make my press-on nails. I've been making press-on nails since I was putting on press-ons as a kid. I still love them, so I still make them. I do my own nails because I ain't paying nobody to do it. I don't like sitting in a nail salon feeling like they talking about me, so I handle my stuff myself. And I figured I wanted to, you know, segue that into my channel, and working with this company, I told them that was something that I was going to do. So definitely going to be putting all my polish in here, and I can already see that this is just going to be perfect just to store everything in, because my nail polishes are all over the place, and I can already see this is going to be a big help. Now this. So I'm telling you right now, the size, the thickness, this is like so perfect for you to be able to like take and travel with you. Like say you just put your makeup in here and then you like throw this on the top of it, you know, all of your stuff in here, put that in your luggage. I can see that working out well. Like you can put like your lipsticks right here. If you have like illuminating highlights that are in like compact disc, that's what I'm looking for. You can put that right here. Put your foundation. Oh no, this is like the perfect size for the foundation jars right here. Like, it's just like, you know, just everything that you need, you'll be able to put right inside of these nice organizers. You can put them inside of a drawer is what I've seen them in on their website. I don't know if I'm gonna put mine on a drawer, because I just feel like I'm actually gonna like have them out so I can see them. I know my makeup stuff I'm going to use every day, so it'll probably just sit on top of my dresser. But if you have a vanity, now that I think about it, this would be really nice to just sit on your vanity. So, you know, I have no complaints about this. I'm actually going to do a video of me organizing my actual cosmetics, and I'm actually going to do a video of me organizing my nail polishes. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to just incorporate these more to like, you know, I'm just going to incorporate these in my channel more. So like say when I'm actually doing my makeup, I'm actually going to, you know, you'll see this a lot. Basically what I'm saying is you will see these 2 organized a lot, because every time I make a video doing my nails, I'm just gonna bring this organizer out, and then every time I'm doing a video doing my makeup, I'm gonna bring this organizer out. So like I said, I'm definitely going to do a video of me organizing all of my beauty products, because this was something that I definitely needed. I didn't know how I was going to organize all of my beauty products, and then when this company just, you know, accepted my offer to be a part of their team, I was just like, oh my God, look at God, this works out perfectly. So stay tuned in by subscribing. I'll holler at y'all in my next video.